Central Irrigation Scheme Ward Cross splurge under Kironi subdivision at West Karbi Anglong. Nilomoni Malaka, officer in charge of Dokmoka PS, distributed pens to government job aspirants at Dokmoka on 28 August. New gas filling station inaugurated at Dilai on 28 August. Come one, come all. Fourth Autumn Women and Men's Football Running Tournament come awareness on addiction and human trafficking at Atpo Taro Playground, Dongmukak on 5th September to 8 October 2022. Organized by Community Health Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi. NGO partner, UNICEF. For more details, contact Sharon Sarmin Hanse, Project Officer, CHDP, and call 8638398440. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. During the ASDC government era at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the then CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Jodson Bay, laid a foundation stone for the Central Irrigation Scheme in 1997 at Sansika, Ambreng River, Kironi, West Karbi Anglong. It was projected that the work was completed with the budget worth crores. It was informed that some miscreants had projected the work to be completed and reported to the central government that the citizens are benefiting from the sluice gate constructed under the Central Irrigation Scheme in 1997. But when leaders of Karbi Students Association visited a site to get the actual facts regarding the irrigation scheme, it was found that the sluice gate was deserted without any maintenance work being carried out. The sluice gate was covered with bushes. KSA, while speaking to us, questioned the concerned authority as why the government did not take any action against it till date, and why is the KAC silent on this matter. Hence, KSA appeals the concerned authority of KAC to inspect the site and revive the irrigation sluice gate at Kironi, following which KSA will strongly stage a protest against it, says Rensing Rongpar.
Pini nilutum ke wang abangke labang so irrigation along nilutum nang humri pen ladak ke claim ke dam abang thanga thelong ja seta ladak 2006 aning kana bang ke ladak totally akam tang elo officially along ba akagos along bang dak ke klang bang tang thai lo dak completion certificate kat do thai lo ladak ang tonakam tang thai phit wi sami dak nilutum hawara tum bang ke dak non puan ta labang so lang jun long le dak puthak posi pini nilutum dak sansika long nang humri nang ko lasi labang so scheme bang prap jin pen ke deng serak je phansi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atom phan nilutum chuning.
Mohan Teron's report from Kironi, Karbi Anglong Live. As an act of goodwill gesture to motivate the government job aspirants, officer in charge of Dokmoka Police Station presented pens and flowers to all the aspirants before taking an examination for Class 3 posts to fill up all the vacancies at various departments in the state sector on 28 August. On 28 August, Government of Assam had conducted state-level recruitment commission for Class 3 posts to fill up all the vacancies at various departments in the state sector on 28 August throughout the state. Likewise, Dokmoka Higher Secondary School and Thongnokbe College were also the examination centers for this recruitment drive. On this occasion, Nilomoni Malakar, officer in charge of Dokmoka PS, distributed pens and flowers to all the aspirants as a mark of motivation and encouragement for their future endeavor. Samsung English report from Dokmoka for Karbi Anglong Live.
Grab the biggest opportunity. The Golden Wings presents second Karbi Anglong Fashion Week 2022, both for male, female, misses, teen and kids. Promoting our local behavior and tourism. Required height, male 5.5 and female 5.3 professional. Dress code for preliminary auditions. Denim blue jeans and white t-shirt. Pencil heels compulsory for female preliminary audition scope. Diphu, Denarong, Wolongkomaji, Japrajan, Hanjang Langso, Hamren, Donka, Kaziranga, Umrangso, Haflong, Chokihola and Hawarkehat. For further details, please contact 60032 93958.
On 28 August, new gas filling station, Indian Oil petrol pump, was inaugurated at Dilai Sarihajan Road. In recent days, the commuters from Dilai area had to board fuels for their vehicles with the rates higher than the actual value due to the absence of any fuel refilling station nearby. But after the inauguration of new petrol pump at Dilai Sarihajan Road with the name Human Filling Station on 28 August, this will boost the relaxation and provide major relief to the commuters and travelers from Dilai areas. The new fuel station was inaugurated by proprietor Arkoy Tirang in presence of other family members, friends and staff. Bijorong Peace report from Dilai for Karbing Long Live. Thank you for watching Karbing Long Live. Have a great day.